Hello, friends. Running Kimono here. Oh my gosh, we have a really great week over at Walgreens. BOGO free as a curbside for the Tide, and the rest of the stuff is in store. I mean, I have an item in there for 19 cents and other cheap items. So it is a terrific, terrific week. So I'm really excited by this. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, really helps out the channel and everything. If you could just take a second and like the video, I would be so grateful. Okay, so even before you go to the store, let's consider doing a curbside pickup so you can drive to the store and then do your in-store deals and then pick up this amazing order too. So we're going to hit the box on the left-hand side for the pickup. You're doing this through the Walgreens app, and we only have one curbside deal. You're also going to need this loaded, which is a 5-back when you spend 20 on select P&G products. And if you look below the date, it says online only. So they put this online only. So if you throw in one of these Tide liquids, and be very mindful that whatever you're throwing into the cart has that 5-back when you spend 20 below, because some of the scents are not included, just being super smart, but original is included. And then this free and gentle one, a favorite in our household, is a 42 counter, also for $12.99. So Walgreens gave us a huge amount of P&G coupons. Even if you're not interested in any of this, I would load all of the coupons this morning, not negotiable. So these are the two digitals that we're loading. We have a $3 off for the pods and a $3 off for the liquid. To show you the gorgeous chorus line for this curbside pickup, we have a $3 off for the pods, a $3 off for the liquid. Use the code WAG10 for an extra $2 off. And remember, we're doing this as a curbside pickup because that booster is online only. So that's why we're doing it this way. The overall total for this is $25.98. Now, with the $2 melting off, your subtotal is still at $23.98. We're still at that $23 or $20 threshold. Pardon me. Curbside pickup is free, a bit of tax and $6 melting off. With your debit card, you're going to spend $19.42 as it is a spend booster, and then get back $5. If you look at the coupon, the code WAG10, and the $5 back, that's exactly $13. And if you consider these are $12.99, you're basically getting one for free. In tomorrow's video, I will have a lot more deals to go with that one booster. The booster is of a one-time use, so pick wisely which deal you wish to do. Rest of these deals are in store, so we are in store shopping. The first thing you're going to do is look for about $8-ish of the L'Oreal cosmetics at 75% off. And for a lot of these, because shoppers love to look at things and move them around, ask the cashier for a price check to make sure that all of the math is balancing. You don't want to pick up something that isn't on clearance. And clearance is always your mileage may vary, so let's hope that we're all on the same page. Now I have this coupon, which is a 6 off a 2. This is a manufacturer. I know there's also a 10 off a 2 floating around, so you might have to augment your math. Plus we have the store coupon, which is a 2 off a 2. So what you'd have to do to get both of these to work in store is to grab at least $8 of L'Oreal clearance cosmetics. Alternatively, what I had, it was $10.47. The 6 off 2 manufacturer will melt off. And then also that store coupon will go up to 3 because I have a third product. So it's $1.47 for the 3 or 49 cents per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. But whatever the math is, try to get it to balance. I know that with clearance, it's always different in every store, but you might want to be looking for this L'Oreal clearance cosmetics. Another item that I found, I was crazy excited about this one. $4.19 for this Olay sensitive skin. It's some sort of like sunscreen. It's got a quick expiry date, but I'm still excited to have it. Now, this is kind of a leap of faith deal because I didn't know if this $4 digital would attach. And in the app, I was just struggling to get anything to attach this morning. So I took a leap of faith. $4.19. It did attach. So I paid 19 cents for this lotion that was probably $25 at one point. So I was really hyper by that. Definitely ask for price checks and try and make this happen. Moving this into the deals, what we're going to do is grab 2 of the Venus Paradise razors at $7.99 on a BOGO 50% off and a can of the satin shave gel. So this is what your basket should look like. 2 razors and then the can of shave gel. Scan the 2 razors first and make sure that this is showing up, this message of spend 15, get back $5 register reward. And yes, it printed for me. I guess you can do this one online too, but I did it in store. And we have a 7 off 2 digital coupon. Load it. So for the 2 razors and the shave cream, it's $15.47. Subtracting that digital coupon, pay $8.47. And then I got back a $5 register reward. So it made it like $3.47 for the 3 or $1 and some change per product, which is fantastic. And guys, for this one, I actually did use some Walgreens cash. And guess what? It did print for me. So I did test this one this morning. And I also had a register reward like $4. I think it was for last week for one of the deals that we were doing. So I threw that in too. It was for a different deal. It wasn't for these shaving products. It was a $4 off. I think it might have been a shampoo or something like that. But I threw in $4 manufacturer register reward and boom, this guy printed. So this is a super duper deal. And I also threw in some Walgreens cash. I mean, I paid like 40 cents and then got back this $5 register reward. So this is a deal that if you want to get some disposable razors and a can of that cream, make it happen. Cue the Price is Right disappointed music. If you need Head and Shoulders, this is a deal, but the Herbal Essence, I wouldn't do it. So for the Head and Shoulders, we have this 3 off 2 digital, although in the Flip app, it said it was going to be a 4, but I guess they knew what we were trying to do. So grabbing 2 of these at $6 a pop, that's 12. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay 9. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $4 for the 2 or $2 per Head and Shoulder. That's a very good price point. It's a more expensive shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay for this one, and the register reward should print for you. Okay, and this is where I'm not happy. These Herbal Essences are 10, and it's on the same promotion as the Head and Shoulders. So after your digital coupon, which is a 4 off of 2, and the register reward, you're basically paying $11 for 2 shampoos. So if you're like, if you love this shampoo, by all means, to pay $5.50 per shampoo, not bad. But we love to get shampoo very cheap on this channel, so I am passing on this one. It is just a bit too rich for this girl. Okay, now we're looking at the whole blends or the fructis. You pick which one you want to get. Unfortunately, the digital coupon that we have is a 3 off of 2 for either or. So they are on to us. $3 register reward when you buy 2. And this coupon showed up last week. So if you used it last week, sorry, you can't do the deal twice. You can only do it once per card. And it's a 3 off of 2, so it's either the fructis or the whole blends. Grabbing 2 of these shampoos for $8. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per. I think $1 for these types of shampoo, Herbal Essence also included, is a pretty good deal. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash, pay down the balance to earn your register reward. I really love that when this deal shows up, it's a buy one, get 2 for free on the Walgreens freezer bags. So it shakes it out to 93 cents per box of 20, cheaper than the Dollar Tree. And I believe that this quality of these Walgreens bags are very similar to Ziploc. In my book, I love them, especially if you're a home cook. You probably go through a ton of these. Another super duper deal this week is on the $2.99 Palmolive. We have a $1.50 off digital coupon, dropping this guy down to a $1.49. I know that Dawn dish soap recently changed their blue classic scent to something a bit more perfumey. I don't know, guys. I can't smell the difference myself, but a lot of people hate it. So this might be an alternative dish soap to use in your household. Now let's talk about some toothpaste. The first deal we're going to look at is the $4.50 Colgate $4 reward when you buy 2. And this morning, for whatever stupid reason, it was very difficult to get the digital coupons to load. So what I did for the most part was I went into the flyer, looked up the promotion. So you just type in Colgate, this will populate right away, and see below it says that plus button 4 off 2. That's what you would press to get this guy to load. That's what I had to do for a lot of my coupons. So grabbing 2 of these guys, it's $9. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per toothpaste. And again, it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. And I think 50 cents is a very smart stock up price for toothpaste. Okay, so this next one, you're really going to have to put your thinking cap on in the store and really, really, really pay attention. You're looking for the $5 tubes of toothpaste, $6 reward when you buy 4. And we also have a 6 off of 4 digital coupon. So you're going to load this guy, and you're really going to have to open up that app and start scanning the barcodes, and hopefully it's working for you. IBOTTA for the gum ones is giving back $4. And unfortunately, my store just did not have enough for me to even test this one. But 4 of the Crest Fancies is $20. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $14. Get back a $6 register reward and $4 back from IBOTTA. You're only going to get it for 2 of the tubes. It makes it $4 for 4 or $1 per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance because we have no boosters this week for this. And I will let you guys know too, I probably will pass on this because $1 is a bit too much. But if you might have other IBOTTA rebates that are a bit more higher in value, maybe I would consider that. But like myself, I only had the $2 for the Crest gum. So definitely one you're going to have to put your thinking cap on and really investigate if you want to do it. Okay, so the last deal we're going to look at is the $5.49 P&G paper. So we have Bounty, the Essentials, and then there's 2 types of toilet paper, a yellow package, Charmin, and then the blue or the red 4-count. Unfortunately, my store was out of those 2 toilet papers, but I can show you what the paper towels look like. We're going to load that 50 center for that exact package of the toilet paper. We have $1 off for that little 4-pack, and then a 50 center for the one I just showed you. This is exactly $2 in digital coupons. So for 4 of those P&G paper items, it's $21.96. We're subtracting $2 in digitals. You're paying $19.96. Getting back one $5 register reward, making it $14.96 for the 4 or $3.74 per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. And my store, unfortunately, didn't have any puffs, and those 2 types of toilet papers were gone. So definitely look for the tags to make sure that we're on the same page of music. And I wish you luck with this. And we will investigate more curbside deals tomorrow with that P&G booster of 5 back when you spend $20. That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.